Hey, what's up guys? In this tutorial, I'm gonna make this part. Right, in previous video, we have made this portion, this is home portion, this all we have made. Now, I'm gonna make this part. So, get back to a code editor. Let's see how far we have made the project. Okay, so here it is. We made this part. The colors I have told you that don't bother about the color. I will get back to it very soon. But now we have to make this one, right? So get back to your code editor. Now this was section 1. So after section 1 we will going to section 2. Copy this and paste twice. Okay, make some indent. Now it is 2 and it's 2. Okay, so now open a division tag, mention its ID, section 2, then give it a class no padding. Okay, why no padding? No padding is because if you see this, you can see there is no padding between two elements, right? So we'll make it no padding. Okay, under this we can open a class, another div, name it class container. Okay, why container? Because as previous video I have said that container makes made it like this, and if you give it container fluid, then it will be adjusted within full screen. Now it is container type, so I made it container. Okay, now again open division class row. Okay, what is row? In Bootstrap, like Excel or any other concept, a row is something that actually you can fix lots of columns in a row. Okay, so row means, let me understand you. Row means this one. This is uh, these are three pictures, so three pictures in one row. It means in one row there are three columns. Okay, so this is called row. So I have mentioned that row, and again close the division tag. Here it is. Now under the row I'm gonna make you understand about what is column. We are going to use column lots of time because this is the finest thing that Bootstrap has introduced to us. Column is like this. In one row there are three columns here. Okay, you can adjust up to 12 column. Okay, so here is three column, but you can, whenever the elements or the pictures are small, you can make it to 12 column. Bootstrap only actually Bootstrap giving you the opportunity to use only 12 column, not more than that. Okay, so here as the pictures are quite long enough, what we are going to do is class column sm, sorry, sm6, again column md4, another column lg4, close the bracket, and I will get back to it later. Why I have written here call sm6, call md4, call lg4. I will make you understand about it, but later. Okay. So now put some images. So as I have told you, I think uh, in my project folder here is an image, and these are the images. Okay. So we need to insert image in this tag. So I'm going to Okay, so image src first will be your image folder, then project 1. Here it is, project 1, and close it. You can customize it like white would be 100% so that picture do not breaks its frame or do not smaller than frame. Okay, so here it is. Now let me erase this one. In a row there is 6. Now I am going to copy this. Okay, no, first let me show you what we have done. Here it is. Here this is, as I said, no padding, so the padding between the elements will be none. Here you can see, and this padding, don't bother about this padding, this is the container effect. Okay, so here it is. Now I will paste this 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now get back. Here it is. Can you see? Oh, there is a minor problem. I will get back to it later. So here it is. Look, in one row there is there are three picture. Why? Because I told every picture that is called SM6 when the screen is small 6. As I have told you that Bootstrap only give you permission to use 12 column in one row. The, here SM means small screen. At small screen it will resized as 2 picture. Okay, and this is SM6. And medium and large. When it is medium means either a laptop or a small size computer. On LG means lots big type of size or big size computer. Okay, so in big screen here it is 3 4 into 3 12. That's why I have given MD4, LG4 and SM6. Okay, so what we see here, this is, there is no padding. There is no padding between these two elements, between these two pictures. But here we can see that we have a minor, I cannot say minor, this is some kind of big padding. Okay, so why this has happened? Why? Why? Or what should I do? Come here, row space. Another class we have to import, that is no. Go get back to your code editor. Sorry, not code editor. It will be CSS file. Here it is. Copy this one. Custom CSS. Paste this. Put class. Here it is. Now it will be written like this. Sorry, I have to mention for every class. Class mean which class? The column classes. Call again. Sorry for that. Okay. For that, and separated by comma. Copy again. Paste it. Make it star element. Again, now write your CSS. Right, heading, right, 0. Again, padding, left, 0. Let's have a look. Oh my god, save the file. Launch it from here. And no, something wrong with me. I think I have wrong. What I have done. Get back to code editor. See what I have done wrong. This all are correct. This is also correct. Then what is happening to us? Right, everything is correct. Then why is there something very wrong with us? What is happening? Okay, now see. Oh, here it is. Actually, the problem was arising because of this space between this. Okay, so save it and look. Here it is. Now it is looking nice and it is looking like the original picture. Okay. Yeah, we will change those pictures and the background colors by CSS implementing. So now get back to the code editor. Sorry for this. And here section 2. What we will write in section 2? Section 2 will be padding from top would be 80 px. Then height. We set height to auto because we don't know how many projects we are going to um, insert here, because I have inserted only 6 pictures. You may insert here as many pictures as you can. So let it be with auto. And then background color. Background color. I have the background code. It is F46542. Padding from left would be 0 again. Padding from right would be also 0. Padding bottom would be 150 px. Here it is. In original project, you can see that there is about 80 px padding and it is 150 px padding. Don't think that this space is because of padding. This is not the padding space. This is because of the container class. Okay, if you save the project as container fluid, it would be no padding or slightly 1 or 2 px padding between this and this element. Okay, so refresh this. Here it is. You see now. If you want to see that there is no padding between right and left, make it container fluid. You see, there is no padding, so this is not look like good. Now change those picture. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have the sixth one? Yes. Something wrong with that. profile. Yes, profile. Can you refresh it? There it is. Now, in original project, I have slightly made a change. That is, there are two same pictures. Okay, so I have separated here different picture. Now it looks like good, but one thing we again have to do is when we hover the mouse over the pictures, a background green background will come with white font color. So how we will do it? We have to make it. Actually, my mouse is very slow working. That's why I have problem. I am telling you something and not doing that. Don't bother about that, you guys. Yes. Please come under it. Make it class, division class, caption, right? Caption, then text center. Okay. Under the caption, make it. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I'm giving a hash because I don't have any link. But if you have a link of your project, then edit the hash or replace the hash with your project link or website link. Okay. Now close it and then project A. Now I'm going to copy this and paste several times. Ooh, ooh, here it is. Now look, yes, you can see this is the problem. So make it good, looking good from your code editor. Caption, make it caption, position absolute from top 0%, line height 150 or 200 px as you want. The letters will be showing there. Height would be 100%. Width will be, sorry, 100%. 2. Background. Oh, background color you can set to aqua or aqua minor. Mine have electric blue. Opacity. Opacity is 0.001. I will tell you why I have written 0.001. Text decoration set to none. Opacity means the background will be slightly transparent. So here you can see, yes, you can see the background still, right? But when you not hovering over the image, then no background has come because their opacity is 0.001. Here is also, look, no background has come, right? because their opacity is 0.001. If it is set to 9, 0.09, then what would happen? Look what has happened. So we don't need it here right now, but we will copy it. Here it is. Copy, paste, caption, hover. Now in hover area, what we are going to do is implementing this. When we hover the mouse over the images, then it will show. So how would you do this? Everything will remain the same or remain unchanged, but the opacity would be, let's change the color. Color should be, get back to the previous, select color from there. What color I do not have. And, here's the color. Now paste the color here. Make it nice. Now normally it is like this. When you hover, this is very fine, very fine. Now again come here, caption caption a color white, sorry, font to it. It is looking very nice and very easy. It is very nice and very easy. Okay, so we have covered this project section. In next video, I'll try to cover this section as well as this section, but if we cannot cover this, then this section is gonna cover for sure. Okay, and this is very important section because this is not a JavaScript sliding show or slider show. This is uh, pure HTML concept, how these elements are going left to right, and this is also a bootstrap element section. Okay, so we'll get back to you very soon. Hope you guys have enjoyed my video and my tutorial. I know my English is very poor, but deal with it please and learn what I want you to know about the HTML and bootstrap. Hope you guys will love this video, and if you have any doubt, please let me know by commenting below my videos, and keep like and subscribe my videos. Okay, thank you so much.